Welcome back to CarOG 765. Today, we're taking a journey into the golden age of American luxury with one of the most elegant automobiles ever built, the 1935 Packard 12 Series. Long before modern luxury sedans filled the roads, Packard stood as a symbol of prestige, craftsmanship, and engineering excellence. The 1935 Packard 12 wasn't just a car. It was a masterpiece designed for wealthy industrialists, celebrities, and dignitaries who demanded the very best. With its magnificent V12 engine, handcrafted interior, and timeless styling, this classic continues to captivate collectors nearly a century later. Let's explore what makes the 1935 Packard 12 Series one of the greatest luxury cars in automotive history. The exterior of the 1935 Packard 12 Series is nothing short of breathtaking. Every curve and chrome detail reflects the elegance of the Art Deco era. The massive upright chrome grille dominates the front end, proudly carrying the famous Packard badge. Large round headlamps, elegant fenders, and flowing body lines create a commanding yet graceful appearance. Long running boards stretch between the front and rear wheels, emphasizing the vehicle's impressive length. Chrome bumpers, polished hood louvers, and beautifully crafted wire wheels complete the luxurious look. Depending on the customer's preference, the Packard 12 could be ordered in multiple body styles, including sedans, limousines, coupes, convertibles, and custom-bodied models created by renowned coach builders. Even today, the car's proportions and handcrafted details remain among the finest examples of pre-war American automotive design. Stepping inside the 1935 Packard 12 reveals an interior built with extraordinary craftsmanship. Every cabin was carefully assembled using premium materials that reflected the owner's status. Genuine wood trim decorated the dashboard and window surrounds, while rich leather or luxurious broadcloth seats provided exceptional comfort. Thick carpeting covered the floor, creating a quiet and refined atmosphere. The large steering wheel, elegant analog gauges, and chrome accents gave the driver complete control while maintaining a sophisticated appearance. Rear passengers enjoyed generous legroom, comfortable seating, and a peaceful ride thanks to the car's long wheelbase and advanced suspension. Some custom versions even featured fold-out jump seats, privacy partitions, vanity mirrors, and beautifully crafted storage compartments, transforming the Packard 12 into a rolling luxury lounge. Powering this magnificent automobile was one of the most impressive engines of its era. Under the long hood sat a massive 473.3 cubic inch V12 engine producing approximately 175 horsepower. While that number may seem modest by today's standards, it was remarkably powerful during the mid-1930s. The engine delivered incredibly smooth acceleration thanks to its 12-cylinder configuration, making the driving experience refined and effortless. Power was sent to the rear wheels through a 3-speed manual transmission, providing reliable performance on highways and country roads alike. The Packard's advanced engineering included independent front suspension, hydraulic brakes, and a strong chassis that delivered excellent ride comfort for its time. Even at higher cruising speeds, the V12 engine remained remarkably quiet and smooth, a quality that helped establish Packard as one of America's premier luxury automakers. Beyond its mechanical excellence, the 1935 Packard 12 became a status symbol across the United States. Successful businessmen, Hollywood stars, diplomats, and government officials often selected Packard over competing luxury brands because of its unmatched reputation for quality and reliability. Unlike many luxury vehicles of the era, the Packard 12 combined refined comfort with dependable engineering, making it suitable for both formal occasions and long-distance travel. Today, surviving examples of the 1935 Packard 12 Series are among the most valuable and desirable American classic cars. Restored models regularly appear at prestigious concours events such as Pebble Beach and Amelia Island, where judges admire their originality and meticulous craftsmanship. Collectors often pay hundreds of thousands of dollars, and sometimes well over $1 million, for exceptionally rare custom-bodied examples. Because production numbers were limited and many cars have not survived, each remaining Packard 12 represents an important piece of automotive history. Nearly 90 years after it first appeared, the 1935 Packard 12 Series continues to define timeless luxury. Its elegant styling, handcrafted interior, exceptionally smooth V12 engine, and remarkable engineering demonstrate why Packard earned the slogan, "Ask the man who owns one." It represents an era when automobiles were built with extraordinary attention to detail and personalized craftsmanship rather than mass production. Whether admired in a museum, displayed at a classic car show, or preserved in a private collection, the Packard 12 remains a symbol of American automotive excellence. Thank you for watching Car AUG 765. If you enjoy exploring legendary classic automobiles, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more fascinating automotive history.